The exiles have returned to Jerusalem, but the city is a skeleton of its former self. While the foundations of the temple lay buried under weeds, the people are busy paneling their own luxurious ceilings. Enter Haggai, a man with a blunt question. Is it time for you to live in paneled houses, while this house lies in ruins? He points to their empty pockets and failed crops, a divine check engine light for their misplaced priorities. Haggai's words strike like a hammer. Unlike many prophets who were ignored, the leaders, governors Zerubbabel and Joshua the high priest, actually listen. Within weeks, the sound of chisels and saws fills the air. When the older generation weeps because this new temple lacks Solomon's gold, Haggai delivers a cosmic promise. God will shake the heavens and the earth, and the glory of this humble house will eventually surpass the original. He ends by singling out Zerubbabel, calling him a signet ring, a symbol of royal authority restored in the midst of the rubble.
Subscribe.